Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Tutorials, your only stop for amazing daily life tech problems. In this one, we are going to be learning how to remove an Instagram account from your account list. So let's jump right into it. Currently, as you can see, I am on my Instagram homepage, and from here you're going to be clicking on your profile icon from the bottom right side of your screen, and after that click on this three lines from the top right side of your screen, and now click on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you can find add an account option. Now you might be wondering that we need to remove an account, why we are clicking on add an account. So you're going to be knowing about that in a couple of moments. Click on add account, and after that click on log into existing account. Now here you will be able to see that we have two accounts currently logged in, and you can see we have these three dots in front of each account. So we're going to be clicking on these three dots, and finally here you can see we have this option to remove an account. You can click on remove and you can see your account is removed from the list. So that's a pretty simple process on how to remove an account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.